Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D review. Superzoom fixes phone camera limits. Ever feel that frustration when you try to snap a distant subject with your phone, only to end up with a blurry mess of pixels? You're at your kid's soccer game, zooming in vain on the action across the field. Or you're hiking and spot some wildlife, but it's just too far away for any real detail. Vacations can turn disappointing, grand, wide-open landscapes. But that cool bird or that perfect moonshot comes out tiny and fuzzy. Swapping lenses on a big, bulky camera feels like overkill for casual days. Without steady, handheld reach, you miss memories. You're stuck constantly cropping later or just settling for good enough. Families juggle multiple devices, while beginners dread the technical learning curve. It's that nagging gap between everyday moments and photos actually worth keeping. This hits hard. Soccer goals blur into nothingness. Epic hikes yield postcard fails. Family gatherings leave you with arm's-length selfies instead of genuine, candid joy. Stress builds as you flip through mediocre photo albums. Time is wasted editing hopeless shots or buying gear that just sits unused. Opportunities vanish. Your grandkid's first steps are too far off on the playground. Wildlife slips away unseen. Vacations replay in your mind as regrets. The loss mounts. Shared stories fizzle without vivid proof. Your confidence dips chasing results that never land. At crowded events, you're missing the magic happening 100 yards out. Your phone's battery drains from digital zooming. Your storage fills up with discards. Weekends blur into frustration instead of fun. Your friends post keeper shots. Yours just underwhelm. The cycle drags on. Your phone's limits mock your eye for detail, while bulky camera options overwhelm any sense of portability. Every fuzzy frame chips away at your excitement, turning a passion into a chore. Enter the Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D, an 18.1 megapixel point-and-shoot digital camera bundle. This is the friendly, all-in-one answer. This compact bridge camera packs a massive optical reach without any lens swaps, blending point-and-shoot ease with professional-like zoom, right in your hand. Its stabilized lens grabs faraway subjects steadily, while the bundle adds a comfortable Slinger shoulder bag for easy carry and a 32GB memory card for endless snaps. Beginners smile at the intuitive controls. Families love that it captures great video, too. It's the logical pick for everyday adventures, turning "I wish I could" into "I got it." The Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D truly shines. Its effortless 60x optical zoom nails soccer goals or distant birds crystal clear, handheld. Its optical image stabilization sharpens moonshots, steady as if you were using a tripod. 4K video captures your vacations smoothly. The touchscreen makes framing your kids' smiles easy. The built-in flash lights up gatherings with a warm glow. The electronic viewfinder gives you eye-level precision for framing landscapes on hikes. Creative features like post-focus let you pick your highlight point after you take the shot. It's pure fun. The bundle perks are great. The Slinger bag slings on securely for trails, and the included SanDisk 32GB card stores thousands of shots without swaps. In one test, a reviewer grabbed stunning eclipse details at full zoom, tack sharp at ISO 400, completely handheld. A wildlife hobbyist, bird snapper, called it a gateway to keeper shots. 1200mm reach fills the frame safely. Families rave that their weekends are transformed. Distant sports action is clear and portraits POP. The strengths cascade. Portable power that ditches phone fails and bulky kits, with results that are share-ready instantly. Testimony from a travel vlogger. I framed Yellowstone bison full in the shot, and it was lighter than my old camera setup. Everyday wins with this camera feel downright magical. Take a look at the link I've placed in the description for more details on the Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D bundle. One reason to consider it now. Stock for bundles this packed tends to move quickly. You can lock in the value of the bag and card before the peak hiking and travel seasons. It's a way to turn those photo frustrations into lifelong favorites, without any learning curve overwhelm. My full affiliate disclosure is there, too. I believe in being transparent. Sometimes, just one thoughtful tool can revive how you capture memories forever. Are you ready for your next sharp adventure?